Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video tutorial of watercolor portrait over pencil and graphite. And in this video, I will teach you how to draw a portrait through some line method. I have been drawing portraits through this line method since I was a child and I really enjoyed it. So let's paint. Having idea of a good sketching pencil is really important for any kind of portrait painting. I recommended having a few solid pencils at hand that you can use in your work with full knowledge of the result they will produce. And there is a noticeable difference when working with different pencils on the HB scale or H scale or B scale, and how sharp or dull the tip is. The test and see how some will produce dark textures or some blind textures, while other create considerable mid-tone smoothness. Using multiple pencil grades makes the job easy because there is less effort required to achieve a lighter and darker shades. For example, I would have been difficult to shade the background using an HB and even more difficult to shade highlights using a 6B. So if you need help selecting the best pencil grade for a portrait drawing, please create a value scale using your own graphite pencils and compare the values to your reference image directly or indirectly and select the range of pencils that closely match to values that you need. am using the cobalt blue hue and brown shiner, the only two watercolor in my this portrait painting. And I don't mean literally paint backward, but this is a bit different. In most forms of painting, the artist paints with their dark colors first and then works lighter. So however, in watercolor it's the way around. When working with watercolor paints, you want to begin with the lighter colors and then work towards the darker one. And we do this because in watercolor, the white color comes from the paper, not the paint. So due to the transparency of the paint, your light color won't pop when painted over darker colors. So guys, if you like my this watercolor painting tutorial, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more notifications, and please do like, comment and share my videos to the beginner one that help them to learn this method. And I will see you soon in my next another video tutorial. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy and stay connected. Bye.